Yo, what up guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super loud paper popper, and at the end I might get to prank my brother and do it to him, okay? So stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So, how you make it, it's so simple, but there's got to be, it's easy to make, but it's like some people, they don't know how to pop it right. It's like, okay, let me just get into the fold real quick. First, you're going to get this side, bring it over. Sorry, I have writing on it. I was just putting Space Cruiser because I was just going to make a Space Cruiser paper airplane. And if y'all want that tutorial on how to make that, it's really cool. Please comment in the comment section below. So yeah, so do one like this. Then get the bottom side and bring it all the way up. Just like that. And I know a super good way to making these babies really loud. I was the master at this in my school. I got in so much trouble for popping these things. They were so loud. So what you're going to want to do now is you're going to open it. There's two of these things in here. These two things, you just want to lift them up just like this. And make sure that the back, look, you see this corner? The more sharpened it is like that and not as much open, the louder the pop. So you want to like kind of bend that a little bit. Make sure it's closed in, not like that. See how that is? But you need to lift this up. You're going to hold, how you do this, it's kind of hard to do it on camera, but you're going to hold the bottom, get right these two in the middle, and just lift up like that. Then keep it like that, okay? And you see how it's like that? In the back, you don't want it like that, so you're gonna just bend that right there, because some way the way that the air is circulated through the back, and it doesn't come out right. So, and that's how you make your basic paper popper that pops really loud. And you just hold it in your right index finger. You get your thumb right there and your pointer finger like that. Then you just bring it up to your head and go bring it fast down. Okay, guys, so let's go prank my brother now. Shh, we gotta be really quiet. I just got my brother so bad. Okay, I'm probably getting in trouble, so I better end this video right now. Please comment, like, subscribe, and wait for more cool HP tutorials.